building owners, facility managers, and contracting teams need a partner they can rely on to stay cool. Because crucial services can be at risk when a chiller needs planned or emergency maintenance, or even a replacement. Aggreko maintains a fleet of 300 to 1,000 ton water-cooled chillers, in addition to 10 to 450 ton air-cooled chillers, allowing our team to create the most efficient cooling solution for each project, whenever you need us, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Air-cooled chiller or water-cooled chiller? Aggreko's highly trained experts can help you choose the best route. For many projects, a water-cooled chiller can offer important advantages, from energy efficiency to savings. But there are still situations where air-cooled chillers may work best, such as unique building requirements and emergencies. Aggreko's promise is to determine the best solution for your project. It's easy to work with Aggreko. We can tie water-cooled chillers into your existing condenser water system or provide rental cooling towers. The Aggreko rental units are easy to use, with similar controls, number, type, and capacity as your existing equipment. Along the way, Aggreko's team of temperature control specialists ensure the equipment is correctly sized and installed, while providing remote monitoring services 24/7. In fact, we're waiting for your call now.